Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram limit problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps it will take you directly into this page. So all what you wanna do is click on the Instagram like this. Click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and then click on delete. After that, go back and open the power usage details. When you open the power usage details, or what you want to do next is click on the app launch and disable the manage automatically option and then click OK. Go back and click on this option here in the top to stop the app from running. And the last tip now you want to do is open the Play Store and search for Instagram and then update it from here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.